Hi, hey, my name is Barbara D. I'm here at Guaranty RV out in Junction City, and we're doing some videos today, and today I'm going to show you a Winnebago Micro Mini. This is a unit that is 21 feet tall, or 21 feet long, 9 foot 8 inches tall, and just a super width of 7 feet, so you can tow it behind a small car very nicely. It's a lightweight unit. I want to start right here. We've got an electric tongue jack here and a light, so it's easy to get on and off the ball. Under this cover, you're going to see 2 propane tanks, which is nice because those will switch over in the middle of the night if you should run out of fuel. This is a used unit, so we would provide 2 batteries, 2 new batteries for it. It looks like it's got the weights distribution. Pass-through storage. So let's take a look at this. There's the rest of the hitch for you right here. But as you look in here, this has got a nice wide storage capacity, super easy to get to. Actually, this trailer was actually one of our rentals. So you can be very, very confident that you're buying a used unit that has had all the maintenance done on it by professionals. That's helpful. We've got tinted windows here, a super nice electric awning that comes out. This awning is going to come out all the way down the side of the rig. This is a 2106 front bed with slide. So you're going to be right at 21 feet, a little longer than that overall with the tongue. You know, Winnebago's been building RVs for 56 years. I just came back from their Forest City operation. They really put together a beautiful product. They have a lot of quality control, and their name has stood up. I mean, I remember when every RV was called a Winnebago. So if you're looking for a brand that you can trust, Winnebago is definitely, you're on the right track. It's a 21-foot trailer. You see that you have you've got a dual axles here, very well vented tires to keep the brakes nice and cool. All your services are on this side. It's just a great layout. And this grab handle. This grab handle makes it super nice to get in and out. We are 7.5 feet wide here. You've got this lovely sofa, the television, a place to sit down, a walk-around bed. This doesn't contain a dinette. It has a freestanding table, so you have the luxury of you're having your meal outside or inside. What you don't find in a trailer this size usually is a full-size refrigerator. So this particular company knows what their families are looking for. You got a full-size refrigerator, an oven, a range top, and that's a 3-burner range top at that, plus the microwave, stainless steel sink, lots of storage under here, deep drawers as well. This is a super good sized trailer. It's an ultralight, so easy to tow by anything. You can probably tow this with maybe a 3,500 towing capacity, but I'll verify that for you. Storage up here. This is a slide that you see here. All these windows open up for some cross ventilation. And then you've got the bathroom in the back. And I'll let the cameraman just give you a good look at that. That's a nice bathroom for the size of this trailer. You've got a nice shower area and a place to store your things, a nice basin. This unit is priced very reasonably, but I can't convince you over a video. You need to come out here and sit down on the couch, lie down on the bed, and take a look at this. It's a non-smoker. It was one of our rentals, so it's been very well maintained. And my name is Barbara.Balcom. I work in trailers and vans. I've been in this industry for over 25 years. Please call me. I'm at 541-521-4232, and I'll be happy to answer my phone at any time. Come on out to Guaranty and take a look at this one. Thank you.